So what I kind of wanted to do was have all this set up to where put it on kind of like a Octoprint thing. Um, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure you can just do it from here. The problem is, what I don't like about these printers, it's like, what did you would put the thing on the side here, so it's going to be sticking out the front where it's going to get bumped into. It does use the old cord that I like a little better. The issue with this printer, what they did when they made this, well, if I could change it, I definitely would. There's all this space underneath it, but yet this crap is sticking out really far. It's already a big printer, so when you have it on a table, move some of this stuff. You're limited because you've got to go all the way to the back without hitting stuff, and then you've got this whole piece sitting here sticking out. If you look, you see the legs actually extend right about here. That's the end of the legs. They didn't have to put this here. They could have put it underneath it. Part of this is just pretty empty, and this is just an empty tray. So this whole thing basically is just part storage right here, and then this is the display with part of the computer. They could have put it over here and made this thing that much shorter. It was a really poor choice of an otherwise possibly really great printer it could have been. But they didn't do it like that. And so, in fact, I think this is just an empty chamber here. It's just, I don't know why they did it like this. In fact, I think this is literally the top of the power supply. We just can't see it because it ends over here on the rail. But I mean, like, there's all this room here. And so, I kind of like what whatchamacallit did, Solval, where they put the computer over here, the power supply over here. They put the display off to the side. So this is just kind of, I don't know. I probably should sell this thing. It actually prints pretty good. It's got an integrated filament deal. The original sheet is over here. Probably put it back on here. Although I don't print with these ones anymore. I just haven't had the need or the time to do it. But one of these prints really good, and one of them prints really bad. So when I have lots of things going, and I maybe I've got lots of projects going, I'll print with one of these. I'll set it up, and get it going. But I want something over here. I don't really think this is the one that I want to print with. This 9 times out of 10, I don't need anything this big to print. So I got to get into this thing and redo this thing, and we're gonna pull some RAM and do some tricks, see what works. So I don't know. I kind of want a print server so I can come over here and pull up stuff on the computer and then just print.